Guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to let's learn how to make gold color for tattoo. Let's do it together. So guys, for gold color we need three color: yellow, green and red. With these three color we can do gold color like this. Going to ready for gold ink. Let's do it. This is for green. This is for red. So guys, we're going to mix it three color for gold color. So we make little red, little green, and important color yellow. After yellow, we need to mix it red with the green. Already I mixed with the green and red with the green, and both together mix white yellow. See what color coming. If you mix it by these two colors, white, yellow, it's going to more dark gold. Or if you don't want dark gold, you can add more yellow. It's going to light gold. You need to make 3 or 4 cups. So guys, now we learned how to make gold ink. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and